students, it is me Jesu, and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 600 pixel horizontal, 600 pixel vertical. We can do this in resize. We click in on pixel. We untick maintain aspect ratio. We put in the figures down once and we click OK. I will click OK. Then next thing we're going to do is to go to the view and we'll take the ruler. Mine is already taken. Return back to home. Then we'll move the line to a shape rather. We go 0 by 200, 200 horizontal and 200 vertically. We come to this side. We go 400 by 200. We make a line to 300. We make another line to 300. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click in on transparent selection. Mine is already ticked, and rotate 180 degree. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and rotate right 90. So the next thing we're going to do is to start filling. So we choose some colors. I've already chosen some colors already. And next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint. And we'll make this 2400 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel, 600 pixel vertical. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Keep on pressing Ctrl V. Keep on pressing Ctrl V. Keep on pressing Ctrl V. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Increase the canvas to 1200 and Ctrl V. We have to always check around the side whether in case you have inputted the right figures. The right figure. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. And we increase the canvas 1400. There is 1400 and Ctrl V. So we are through with this. We can name it whatsoever we want to name it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.